Me have a Glock with a clip full of horse and I and this a gunman.
But she exam and I give a fuck. Me knew it gon' fat like one be my truck.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton and I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Go rice, me roll deadly, me pass no nice.
Well, go on viewers and subscriber, what's good from your device? You know, it's a boy Soji TV Entertainment, you know, I say yo, me love when time young artists, them just continue putting the hard work and them nah give up and them know say them have to get for them slice like cake, you know. I say viewers and subscriber, this artist when I go talk about goes by the name of Kastro. Yes man, you know say in Japan song title Gunman City. You see me, it's a different style from the song them in Japan in Vivo, you know. So I would like you guys to go over Kastro and go give him the support, make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me? You know, say it's an artist based down on Mobile, but in forward in our watch side more while can you have strength in our watch side same way, you see me? And the artists are surprised in audience them, cause enough people never know same avatar and belt, you know. You see me? And we have to say yo, big up Cash Code Records because at the Monday I put in the work with the artist and believe in the artist thing as so comes uno can hear the artist and see artist for a music video. You see me? And I say yo, the artist a chop some nice things in a song them, you see me? And the man have different category of song viewers and subscribers. So I like you guys to give him a support. Go and go stream him music when drop. Music video when drop other day. You see me? Title Gunman City. Normal thing man, you see me? Nobody take it serious man. I just a song. I just entertain him and entertain to the audience them. You see me? And so the TV Entertainment there, you know man, and we say roar. We love when time the artists them do the right thing, you know. And from the artists them do the right thing, them will get review. You see me? And so the TV I say, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the artist channel. You see me? Yes man, I love the look them man. Yeah man, so me I say Kastro, big up yourself, you know, artist. You think large out there. Just continue the right work. You see me? Mad.
We the choppy line hard, cause we been a work, although we never work, who's to come now?
C9. Yes, viewers and subscriber, this artist goes by the name of C9, you know, and in Japan song title High Grade and Henny. You see me? Yes man, you no need to go over him Vivo and go make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sitting over there because this artist is a young artist, a do it, you see it? Yeah man, you know say Soji TV Entertainment I look for hidden talent them, you know, because of them we are work with, you know, because we now have to do a review with the big artists them out there already because people know them already. You see me? So when we drop them artists here we no know, me see a good response. You see me? Me see people, most people come over, give me subscribe, them view, them like, them share, them comment. You see me? Because the new artists them with me review, the people them like them. You see me? And them a do what them fi do. Because me like see when time young artists them have a talent, you know, and them a put in the work, you know. So them need to get the highlight, you know, and Soji TV Entertainment ensure say, yeah man, me highlight them. So even if a 2 subscriber me have on my channel, my 2 subscriber them I go over there and them I go like, them I go view, them I go share and them I go comment. You see me? And I saw me like my subscriber them work. You see me? When me review an artist, then supposed to go over artist Vivo and see even view. You see me? Make the artist know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. And me I say yo, one I time I think say yo a artist and Javilani a brother, you know, cause he have a part in a song music video where Javilani and him they one place and the man them look alike, brother. You see me? So I like to know if a Javilani brother. You see me viewers and subscribers. So Soji TV Entertainment there, you know, I listen to the artists them and the artists them I do them thing, you see me? They ain't nobody style, them I do for them own style, you see me? I ain't for them own style, so we love them move there, you see me? And you know say we no love man, and music man love, you see me? So from we see music I go out there and it reach Soji ears or eyes. You know say Soji I go give it a review, you see me? And me I say big up the artist them. So remember if you go over YK Castro Vivo and go give him the support, make him know say me sending over there. Yes man, and me also want to go over C9 Vivo, go give him the support as well. You know Soji TV Entertainment there same way, you know. Want to know guys fi hit the subscribe button same way. Like, share, comment, tell a friend fi tell a friend say Soji TV Entertainment over here I do some review of some artists where people not too know about, so you can come give me the support. You see me? You know say Soji TV Entertainment appreciate it. So me I say viewers and subscribers, I want you guys to have a productive day now. You see me? I want you guys to tune in for the artist them Vivo, you see me? And also give Soji TV Entertainment the support. Yes man.
I grade and Henny for me breakfast. Fat XRD and under.